Hello, sir. Now I will show you how to use mobile to control my machine. Look at this. Find the app, open it, cut out, start stop. The password is 888888. Okay, now so succeed. So I will use my phone. Lock, right? Unlock. Yes. Show you. Start. Okay. Truck. Found the car. Look at this GPS function. I will find where is my car. Alarm. Where is my car? Have the siren. So stop the car. I need to input the password. Okay, stop. So I will show you how to use the smart key. Lock. Okay, unlock. Start. You need to okay. Okay, lock the car. Thank you, sir.